Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screenshots not working on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see up restart device from here. After restart device, you will see after restart device phone logo is showing on your screen and you will see after restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, so you will see click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screenshots not working on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.